Do you want to stop Windows Update forever? In this video, I'll show you how to disable it on Windows 11 in just a few easy steps. Stay tuned and let's get started. Step 1. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run command. Type services.msc and hit Enter. This will open the Services window, where you can see all the services that are running on your computer. Step 2. Find Windows Update, right-click on it, and choose Properties. This will open the Windows Update Properties window, where you can change the settings for this service. Step 3. Go to the Startup Type section, and select Disabled from the drop-down menu. This will stop Windows Update from starting automatically when you turn on your computer. Step 4. Click on Stop to stop the service if it is currently running. Then click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Step 5. Restart your computer to apply the changes. You have now disabled Windows Update permanently on Windows 11. That's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.